Introducing the ultimate sidekick for every vehicle owner and DIY enthusiast, the two-piece battery clamp set. Picture this. You're on a spontaneous road trip, cruising down the highway, when suddenly, your car battery decides to take an unscheduled nap. Panic? Not with these bad boys in your trunk. This set comes with two robust, high-quality clamps designed to give your battery the jolt it needs to wake up and keep you rolling. Crafted with durability and ease of use in mind, these clamps feature strong, alligator-style jaws that grip tightly onto battery terminals, ensuring a secure and efficient transfer of power every time. No more fumbling with loose connections or worrying about flimsy materials. These clamps are built to withstand the rigors of any roadside emergency or home project. But wait, there's more. These clamps are not just about functionality, they're about making your life easier and more fun. The ergonomic design means they fit comfortably in your hand, making those quick fixes a breeze. Plus, the vibrant red and black color coding not only looks cool but also ensures you never mix up positive and negative terminals again. Whether you're jump-starting a friend's car, tinkering in the garage, or just want the peace of mind that comes with being prepared, the two-piece battery clamp set is your go-to gadget. It's like having a mini superhero team in your toolkit, always ready to spring into action and save the day. So, gear up, and let the adventures continue uninterrupted with these trusty battery clamps.